If you're a mixed media artist, slow stitcher, or journal maker who loves working with textured, one-of-a-kind fabrics, you're in the right place. I'm Vina, curator at Anitavee Textile Designs, where every fabric tells a story, and every bundle is hand-selected to spark your next creative piece. Each week, I release a brand new play bundle every Tuesday and a sneak peek every Thursday so you can plan ahead. Okay, let's go ahead and get started with this bundle. Okay, this is our first piece. It's a woven, highly textured piece. I just love the way the weave is. This is actually the back side of the fabric. Um, this is the front, but the back side I think is much more interesting. It's medium weight, kind of a lighter to medium weight, but the back side to me is just beautiful. Our next piece, this is 100% silk shantung, kind of in a brownish nutmeg type color in there. And you can see the coarse weave gives it a nice dimension there. There's a close-up. Nice sheen to this fabric also. This is a lighter weight type fabric. Nice hand, nice feel, nice flow. Okay, and our next piece. This is also a silk fabric. This is a raw silk. The color is, let's see, I would say that color is maize, kind of like a pale yellow. There's a close-up, very lightweight, very flowy. The back and the front are the same, so either side works. This is a tweed fabric. It has a lot of the coloring that is we've already seen in this bundle. Plus there's some very light greens, neutral type greens also included in this piece. This is an upholstery but very soft weight twill. And our last piece, this is kind of a tannish brown color tweed. You can see the texture. There's a close-up of the texture. This is the back, very smooth back. It's a nice weight fabric, medium. There's no stiffness to it, and this will work as a good base. So this is our Nutmeg Essence palette, and that's our Nutmeg Essence palette. Each play bundle is a small burst of inspiration. If you want larger cuts or companion fabrics, explore my foundation and curation bundles linked below. Join my VIP email list for free shipping plus $5 off your first order, early access to new releases, and private sales not offered to the public. Thanks for watching this week's play bundle. Subscribe for unique fabrics for mixed media, slow stitching, and fabric collage. See you Thursday for the sneak peek.